I'm back. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing an oldie but goodie. I've actually installed this hair multiple times. Like, it used to be my go-to back in the day, but I would have only installed it in like a color 4, a color 1B, and like a 2. But now I'm going real out the box. Hold on. I am installing, drum roll please, ringlet wand curl in the color 99J. I haven't done first of all, I haven't done a 99J colored install probably since like 2016, but I really liked it then, and I feel like now that I got my grown woman face, it can serve a look. This is what the hair looks like. It has like a really natural texture, and the curls are always gonna give. They're so lightweight and bouncy, and I'm gonna be real grown and not do no dark roots or nothing. Why did I just make a bubble? That was crazy. Did y'all see that? Oh my god. I already braided my hair down yesterday because, one, I wanted this process to be faster today. I just did 4 braids going back and connected them in the back, and then I have these 2 side braids and left out my sprinkle of edges. Once that is on, these strands come like super thick, and I personally am not a fan of the uniform curl look, so I actually split these into like 2 and 3 pieces for each strand. This hair is actually kind of long. I don't know if it's always been this long, but it got a little length to it. I would say it's probably like 14 inches, which is a plus. There's no point in me showing y'all how I do the back of my head because that's not what's important. So my goal, I have 3 packs of this. When I was installing it back in the day, I'm gonna show y'all a picture. I would usually use about 2 to 3 packs and kind of like throughout my install add more hair in. So 3 packs is recommended, and I have a small head and like big hair, so I feel like 3 packs is more than enough. This hair has just been like sitting in the back of the corner, like staring at me for like the past couple of weeks. And I've been plotting on it, but I leave out of town tomorrow, and I could have did it earlier this week, but I wanted the install to be as fresh as possible. Nami.
Yummy. Yeah, something like that.
People always ask me like, how do I do my own hair essentially? Like, I don't see anything. I don't have like a 3-way mirror or anything. I literally just feel around, feel for gaps. And especially since I want the hair full, like, I don't care about it being like on top of one another. So everything is getting filled. That's for sure. The thing about this hair though, a lot of the hair comes in a pack. You could honestly get away with like 1 to 2 packs if you're not a thick hair girly. But I'm gonna let you know right now, we don't do that on this channel. Not right here, partner.
I'm hopeful. Yes, I am.
I'm like low-key interested to see how this color is gonna hold up, because we all know that like blondes and just like light brown, just like light colored crochet hair rarely lasts as long as like 1Bs, 2s, 4s. So I'm wondering if that's going to be the case with like this burgundy color. Like, how long is this going to last? Okay, we're officially 1 pack down. I look so crazy right now. It's starting to give. I know once I beat my face, y'all know, once I beat my face.
Yes, sir.
The second pack. For the shape that I'm going for, which is kind of like heart shaped, you kind of want to fill up the sides and the back. You want the back to be really full, and then I'm just going to do like a regular middle part and then pull the hair forward because I don't like a thick bang. I hate a thick bang. So we want the bangs to be lightly wisped into our face. I have this much left of the second pack. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be able to fit the 3rd pack in, but like I said, I will be like sneaking little strands here and there throughout my install just to keep it like fresh looking and keep the bounce. So for now, I'm not going to cut the net off. until I have finished this section. Okay, so we got all the hair installed. Now we're gonna start placing and shaping to my face. You can't even see anything there. So I'm not gonna be like necessarily teasing. I might on the side a little bit, but whew, there's a lot of hair. Okay. Whew, sweet release. Try my best to cut that elastic off. But let's get to shaping. What I do like about this hair is like it's the perfect length, so once you install it, you really don't have to like shape too much. It already looks pretty layered, so I'm just really gonna cut like these straggly pieces and just make sure that the shape is shaping, you know? Let's just try to separate the bangs as much as we can. This is basically it. Like, I'm gonna put my bonnet on, sleep on it. She's giving. Hold on. So yeah, me and 99J lived happily ever after because this color is bomb. Like, let me know if y'all try it. Okay, bye.